and yeah, oh, it's very the magnet is really strong. So hello guys, today in this video we'll be taking a look at a multi-functional work light which I recently purchased from Amazon. Here the price they have written is 2499, but in Amazon you can get it around 1000 rupees. So now without wasting any more time, let's open up the product and see what it have for us inside. So opening, the first thing which you can see is the USB Type-C charging cable as they have told. So there is nothing much to say in that, so I'll be keeping this aside. And in a bubble wrap they have given the product itself. This is the bubble wrap. So this is how the product looks. It looks really good for the first impression. So this is how the side looks. The other side, the bottom. In the bottom they have, I think they have written about the magnet, I guess. Yeah, magnet. One picture of the magnet is given. The top nothing much. And here there is a hinge for the light to go up and down. And this is, yeah, this is made of metal. This and all is plastic. And yeah, oh, it's very the magnet is really strong actually. You can see it's the, for I am not able to remove it early. It's quite strong. The magnet is quite strong. See, so that is about the magnet that is given at the bottom. So you're working somewhere, you can just place it like this. If you're working in a flat surface or any inclined surface you're working, you can always stick it to any metal surface like this, and it is not going anywhere. You can see how much strong it is. Okay, see here also it will be sturdy, it will stay where you kept it. I am impressed by the magnet strength actually. It is quite strong magnet they have given. So that is about the magnet, and they have already mentioned about the hook, which we'll take a look. Okay, yeah, so this is the hook which they are telling. I think it's for hanging somewhere or something, I guess. If you want, or if any purpose you need for hanging, then you can use this hook. So when you press it down, it locks it in place. So that's it about the outside features. So now we'll take a look at the light. So this is the light which they have given. I'll zoom it a bit. Okay, so this is the light which they have given, and this is the switch. It's all waterproof, so you don't have to worry about using it in rain or something. And this is the charging port that is also sealed in a rubber flap. That is USB-C charging port. I'll place it back, and this is the indicators which they have given for charging. How much charge is there for indicating the charge. Okay, so this is the button. So when you press it the first time, it is going to be a bright white light. The second time when you press it, it will be a slightly dim white light. Third time when you press it, it turns off. So again, it is very bright actually. I'll put it like this for you guys. So this is the light. Second time I pressed it, dim white. So that is the two modes of white. Now if you want to enter the red color, you have to press and hold it. So once you press and hold it, it will become a red light, and one more time you presses the button, there will be a blinking. When your car broke down, many of the time the parking light doesn't work, so that time you can use this, and one more press, it goes. So again, for entering the red, press and hold, red one. Again if you press it, it will become blinking red. And I don't think any other feature is there in this, but it is quite sturdy, and you can always take it as a companion when you are doing a work outside. And it looks also really good, and for the price it worth it. For 1,000 rupees you cannot ask more than this. So I hope you guys like the video. If any doubt about this product you want to ask, you can ask in the comment section below. I'll be answering to it as soon as possible. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.